Thank you, Nala Wright of the Halan Group, for the personal branding consultation. Hi, I'm Bella Lafay, and for my cooking channel, Cooking at Home with Bella Lafay, Nala Wright has helped me to understand personal branding and have a content strategy. As a result of this personal branding consultation, I have learned the importance of showcasing my personality and passion for cooking. Nala Wright helped me to see how important it is to share personal stories and experiences that connect me with my audience. One way we discussed of connecting with my audience includes having a sit-down educational component. By educating my audience, I can highlight my knowledge and skills in cooking. This will help position myself as an educator who can simplify complex cooking techniques and inspire confidence in beginner cooks. We spoke about using color consistency in branding. I can use my branding colors in my website, also in the video thumbnails, so that it will help identify my brand. This will help reinforce my channel's mission of helping people become confident cooks. Whether it's explaining ingredients or simplifying recipes, it ensures my brand stays aligned with teaching and demystifying cooking. Nala Wright is very thorough in consulting. This has helped me to become a well-rounded channel. In addition to recipe videos, including talking head videos discussing food culture, my personal cooking experiences, or even kitchen product reviews, diversifying content will engage a broader audience. Nala Wright helped me to elevate my brand.